Hello everybody, this is Jerry. I just want to show you my collection of some gemstones that I bought online. I bought them like 3 years ago. I probably paid like 100 for them. And they are just beautiful stones, all colors. Purple, red, ruby, stuff like that. Sorry about that, my battery went low. So, you know, I didn't pay a lot. And when I took it to the jewelry store, I asked them how much they will give me for all this stuff, and they told me that they will give me like 350, which I think that's more than that. So I had to go and check out with another jewelry store. So that was only one appraisal, and I think I'm gonna hold on to all this gemstones and with time they are more valuable, especially some of the mines that they drying up. That's what I heard. Uh-oh, I think I dropped one. But some of the mines they told me that they're drying up, so they're gonna be more valuable. But the bigger ones are more expensive. Like this ones. This one over here. And people can make all kinds of stuff with it, like earrings, rings, you name it. I like this one right here that's like kind of dirty. That's special, It's having a hard time focusing. Like that one too, that's a big one. Yeah, there you go. So, focusing a little bit better. I need to charge my phone, so that's why I ran out of light. But I just wanted to show you this. Like I said, it's a good investment. I already made a profit, but I'm gonna keep it and go on with a few more years and see if it will increase in value. So that's a gamble I'm gonna take. Hopefully it does. And then, when it's maybe like 400, 500, I will sell it all. But meanwhile, they're beautiful. I also have gold and silver, and I'm collecting that too. But I just wanted to show you my gem collection, and I want to ask everybody if they collect gems too, or what kind of stuff do you collect so you can make profit in the future. Leave comments below. Alright guys, well, this is Jerry. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.